Hello everyone. In this lesson we'll be looking at comparing two prices of two different products under the unit called Best Buys. Alright, this is taken from a booklet page 4. Let's have a look at the question. Best Buys definition. A Best Buy refers to which size product is best value for money. Example 1. Which is better value, 3 kg of rice for $5.40 or 2 kg of rice for $3.50? And do this without a calculator. So that's the instruction here. So first of all, when we compare two different products that comes with two different prices, so first of all, we need to turn them into common amount, a common unit. So product A, 3 kg costs $5.40. Product B, 2 kg for $3.50. There are two ways to do this. Number one, you can turn it into one unit price. In other words, you divide the first product, $5.40 divided by 3, and then you get the price for 1 kg. And then you do the same thing here. $3.50 divided by 2 to get the price for 1 kg. Since they are both now in 1 kg package, we can compare the price. Alternatively, you can look at the packaging here. This is 3 kg, the other one is 2 kg. By looking at the lowest common multiple, we'll be able to compare the price. So let's say for product A, if you were to buy 6 kg, 3 and 2, the lowest common multiple for 3 and 2 will be 6. So let's say if you buy 6 kg of each. So for product A, you basically buy two packages of the product, okay? So 3 kg is $5.40. So 6 kg, that will be double the amount. So that will be $10.80. Now product B, if you buy 2 kg package, that will be $3.50. But if you buy 6 kg, it means that you buy 3 sets of these. You need to multiply the $3.50 by 3. So that gives you $10.50. So from there, we know that this is cheaper. That's how you compare two different products and determine which one is the best buy.